It's my attempt at a swarm trap. Just made out of scrap ply that I had lying around and some old wardrobe doors. I was going to go with a slot for the hole, but then I changed my mind and put a hole in the slot and a bit of tin for the roof. I thought that'd be better than ply. And yeah, it's just a box, just a cube really. It's the back of it. So I don't know much about bees, but it's spring now, and so I'm just going to hang this in a tree and see what happens really. Got some lemongrass oil off eBay. I don't really know how to do this, but I guess you just put a couple of drops on the hole. Hang her up. My next video is probably going to be building a beehive with some frames. I don't really know how to do it, but we'll just see what happens there. I was going to do a video on making this one, but I didn't. Anyway, that's done, so now I'm just going to sit here and wait.